Tired of digging through menus to print an email in Yahoo Mail? In 30 seconds, I'll show you the exact clicks to get it done. No more hunting around, no more frustration, just a clean, simple path to a physical copy. First, we'll sign in and open the email you need. Then we'll use the More menu to find Print. Let's go step by step. Alright, so the very first thing you need to do is sign in to your Yahoo Mail account. Go ahead and head over to mail.yahoo.com and log in with your email address and password. Once you're in, you'll see your inbox. Now find the specific email you want to print. Scroll through your list, or use the search bar at the top if you know who it's from or what it's about. Click on that email to open it up fully. You'll see the message body, the subject line, the sender, everything you need. So now that the email is open in front of you, look at the toolbar right above the message. You'll see a row of icons, like reply, forward, and then 3 little dots. That's the More icon. Click on it. This is the menu where all the less common actions live. And here's the really important part. From that drop-down menu, select Print. It's usually near the bottom. Click it, and your browser will open a brand new window or tab showing you a print preview of exactly how the email will look on paper. So take a moment to review that. Check that the text isn't cut off, that the formatting looks good, and that you're not printing any extra junk like ad banners or footers you don't want. I've tested this across different versions of Yahoo Mail, and the preview is generally reliable, but it's always worth a quick glance. On that same print preview window, you'll see all your printing options. This is where you choose your printer. If you have more than one available, make sure the correct one is selected from the drop-down. You can also adjust settings like the number of copies, whether you want color or black and white, and the page layout. If you only need 1 page or 2, pay attention here so you don't waste paper. When everything looks good and you've dialed in your settings, go ahead and click the Print button. Your printer should start humming. And just like that, you've got a physical copy of that important email. So there you have it, from digging through menus to printing in under a minute. If this helped you out, give the video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Happy printing!